before. And so let's check it out. Here it is, the white chocolate. Actually, it's not too bad. I kind of prefer the original over the white chocolate. It seems to kind of take away from um um the white chocolate takes away from it. I don't have that much of a taste like the original. And it seems like that it just is less sweet than the original on top of it. So I think it's okay overall, but I rather have the original Reese's Pieces. And other than that, I'm not a big fan of white chocolate now. So I would say thank you for watching and tuning in, and that was my review of the Reese's white chocolate. If you want to do this review, and if you don't agree with me, that's fine. If you have your own opinion, just let me know in the comments below, and I'll thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.